Hello everyone, my name is Izmi Febrianty Laora. My student's number is 242122311045. I am from class B. In this video, I would like to share the tutorial how to calculating the statistics. The material is measures of central tendency and measures of spread. Here, I already have the raw data. The first thing you have to do is create a table. You can drag the arrow as you want, and then click the insert and click table and click OK, and the table is ready. And then next, you change the header name according to the provisions, okay? And then next, you copy the raw data, and then you put it on table B. And then you drag the one in column B and click sort, and then remove the duplicate. And then you can copy what is in the column B and enter it into the score column. To find out the frequency, you can use the count if formula, and then you block all the values in column A, and then you can click P5, and that's it. And then x multiplied f, you can click F5, give an asterisk and click B5, and that's it. To calculate the x mean, you must find the mean. To do this, add up the values. You can use sum formula and then block all the bottom and click enter, and that's it. So measures of central tendency and measures of spread are concepts in statistics used to describe the data. Measures of central tendency shows the center or average value in dataset. The three main points are mean, median, and mode. And then measures of spreads shows how the data are spread out. The most common ones are range, variance, and standard deviation. The mean is average of all the values in dataset. The formula is the number of values divided the frequency. The number is already known because there are too many numbers after the decimal point. You can click crease. The median is the middle value when data are arranged in order from smallest to largest. The formula is the upper middle value plus the lower middle value, and then you divide it by 2. The mode is the value that appears most frequently in dataset. You can see it here that the number that appears most often is 132, which appears 12 times. After the mean is known, then we calculate the x mean. Just click on the first score column and then subtract and click on the mean. Don't forget to put a dollar between the letters L. And then we calculate x mean square. Just click x mean and then give a square. And then f times x mean squared. So you can click the frequency in the table first and then click in the x mean square. Yeah, that's it. The range is the difference between the highest and lowest values. So the formula is the largest values means the smallest value. You can click the highest score, which is 174, and then minus 118. Interquartile range is a measure of spreads in statistics. It shows how the middle part of the data is distributed. The interquartile range is calculated by subtracting the first quartile from the third quartile. So the formula of the Q1 is 1, 4 and plus 1. So the position is at the 16 and 17 in the data, which is 125. Then 125 plus 125 and divided by 2. Q2 is the mid of the data, is same as the median. And the formula is 1/2 multiplied by n plus 1. So the position is at 33 in the data, which is 137. Q3 is the value at 75% of the data. The formula is 3/4 multiplied by n plus 1. After knowing Q1 and Q3, we can calculate the interquartile range using the formula the sum of Qt minus Q1. The variance measures how far data values are from the mean on average. The formula is sum of f multiplied x mean squared divided by the total frequency minus 1. The standard deviation is the square root of variance. It measures the average distance of data values from the mean. The formula is SQRT click variance. And then we will create a polygon. Click insert and choose which polygon you will use. And then click select the data, and then for the x value block the square column, and for a y value block the frequency column. This is the data that I have calculated. Thank you. I hope this video is useful for you.